Hello everyone, my name is Tayen, and in this short video we will showcase how to rotate a model using Altair S-Frame. So here we have this simple model comprised of different frames with S-Frame, and if we go to the Move button, we will have this dialog show up in the interface. We have different options such as Translate, Rotate, etc. Different options. Today we're going to go with Rotate. We have options for the different axes X, Y, and Z, and also the different degrees that we can rotate it to. So for this one, I want to turn it into the Z axis. So I'm going to go here with 90 degrees and then just click on OK. With that, all of the elements, the full structure has been rotated. It's important to remember that all of the elements in the model have to be selected for this to have this particular effect. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.